Zoom stock is down almost 40% from its 52-week high. There wasn't much news other than they announced earnings on Monday, which was absolutely fantastic. You may have seen some of the headlines, and rather covering the year-over-year numbers, I'm going to cover the quarter-over-quarter numbers. So this is Q3 to Q4. Their revenue went up 17%. So, as the, businesses started to normalize and whatnot, they're still capturing new revenue from existing customers, and they're capturing new customers. This one I really like. 100K customers who are spending $100,000 annually went up 28% from Q3 to Q4. I mean, just imagine if you could do that over the course of 4 quarters, you'd be doubling the number of $100,000 customers over the course of a year. That's just fantastic. And it's not single digits either. It's 1,644 customers, so it's quite a bit. Overall, customers went up 8% quarter over quarter. This stat's just amazing to me. 130% dollar-based net revenue retention. So, customers last year spent $100. This year they're spending $130 or more. That's the 11th quarter in a row that they've seen over 130% in this net revenue number. International has grown to 33% of its business versus 20% a year ago. I mean, just the numbers go on and on. $2.25 full year earnings per share, $4 billion in cash. Now, they're looking at 2022, their next fiscal year, at only 42% growth. So people were disappointed. To me, that's absolutely amazing, considering they're trying to guess how businesses are coming back to work and doing that. But they've seen tremendous attachment or adoption of their Zoom phone. Even over the last quarter, they've been selling Zoom phones as solutions for businesses as they get back to work. Their Global 2000 customers only have 14% of the Global 2000, and they're going to expand an existing customer. So I'm watching how Zoom continues to innovate and adapt as the workplace goes back to being I'm thinking they're going to end up in sort of a hybrid work environment. But they have some cool products like Zoom Rooms, Virtual Receptionist, and lots of cash to give them plenty of optionality.
Yeah, I love Zoom. I like the date. You meant when you just talked about Shopify. Zoom also raised capital this past quarter. They raised, I think, $1.75 billion earlier this year at a valuation that was 10 times their IPO price.
Wow.
So yeah, that's a pretty impressive capital raise.